How can we freeze a top row or the first column in Apple numbers? As you can see here, I got a rather large table, and if I scroll down, the first header row will disappear, and I cannot remember now which column is what. So to prevent that from disappearing, we can make it frozen, and it will kind of follow when you scroll down. To do that, simply hover your mouse on the number of the row until you see this little menu popping up next to it, little triangle like that. Click on this menu and you will have option to freeze it. Take a look. Freeze header row. I click on it. Seems like nothing happened, but if I scroll now, it's moving down together with me. So it's frozen at the top of the page now. We can do the very same thing with a column. So hover your mouse on column A, see the little menu popping up, click on it, freeze header. And now when I scroll to the right, this first column, column A, will follow me. Alright, so that's how easy it is. Simply hover your mouse and open the secondary menu for the column or a row. I hope this short tutorial was helpful. See you in the next one.